Hi, my name is John Januzzi. I'm Operations Manager here at Philips Safety Products, and today we'll be taking you through our brand new automated surfacing line from Satisloh, complete with our e-ticket paperless system. Our first step in the process will be to stage and launch our e-ticket orders. First, we can actually stage our tickets. What's great about the e-ticket system is it completely eliminates the need to print a physical ticket for each order. So we're really reducing our waste footprint for paper and toner for each job. As you'll be able to see shortly, the e-ticket templates dynamically changed based upon the point we are at in our surfacing process. We have our optical product code listed, and we have our block piece information listed for both the right and the left lens. And this will allow our technicians to pick the correct lens blanks and block pieces from our stock and prepare the job to be manufactured. Here we have our ART blocks. ART refers to alloy replacement technology. These are the block pieces that will actually be adhered to the lens blanks to take the lenses through the surfacing process. Here we have orders coming down our VTU and into our ART blocker. At the blocker, the lenses and block pieces will be verified to match the information from our LMS. Once that verification is confirmed, the lens and block can be married through a UV cured adhesive process. Here we have our VFT orbit milling machine. As you can see, at this point, the lens has been married to the block piece, and we are ready to have the job loaded into the machine and for the prescription to be cut. On to the next step, we have our multiflex polisher. Jobs will enter the machine here, be loaded into one of 3 cells, and this will remove surface imperfections created during the milling process to create an optically clear lens. Next, we have our 54R spin coater. This is applying a scratch-resistant coating to the lens to make them more durable and resilient to external wear and tear. Next up, we have our deblocker, which will use a high-pressure water system to remove the lens from the block piece and prepare the job for finishing. One of our technicians will take the job to our EasyFit edger, and at the EasyFit edger, we will take a finished lens blank and cut it to the exact size of your frame. Now that our lenses have been edged, they're ready to go back on the conveyor and travel upstairs for additional finishing, mounting, and quality control inspection.